Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this wireless battery-free doorbell from Silvercrest. 2 signal options, visual, acoustic and visual. 16 melodies with a 3 years warranty. Manual. Okay, we have stickers, double tape screws, 2 screws and 1 small screw. You can remove this cover, slide and remove, write your name here, install it, the paper and lock, and you can have your name at the bottom. We have 1 small screw here. I need a screwdriver, precision screwdriver, because it is a small screw. Okay, remove the back plate, mount it at the wall with these 2 screws, and then install it again together with a screw. Nice. The button. You need to plug in. We have another 1 screw, 2 small screws. Maybe you lose this screw, you have a replacement. And here it is the receiver, the transmitter, with 3 buttons, LED indicator, and I need to plug it in. Connect it. Okay, it is on mute. Unmute. Mute. I like it. And you can decrease the volume and choose your favorite melody with this button. I hope I don't have any problem with YouTube and copyrights with that music. And mute. It is flashing blue for a few seconds and then it goes to green. Unmute. Now I would like to move away, far away, and find out the distance. Now in the paper it says that the range it is 100 meters. The bell push button it is splash proof IPX4. The frequency between these 2 devices it is 433 MHz. No worries, I don't think so. You need to replace anytime at the future this battery. It doesn't say anything about battery because it is a wireless battery free doorbell. I like that. Don't worry about the battery. You need only to plug in on 220 volt. So let's see the distance. 100 meter. I will definitely go far away. So I'm back again. I was about 70 meters away from my home. I am in the 4th floor. So from the ground I am about 15 to 16 meters, and then I have moved it away from the building 60 meters. So about 70 to 75 meters. And the results are very good. We have sound when I'm pressing the button. So you can use it anywhere, this wireless battery free doorbell. If you have a problem with your doorbell, you can install it at your front door, at your entry main door, at your backyard door, wherever you want. The distance is very acceptable and is working. You can choose one of these 16 melodies and you will have a visual, acoustic and visual together. It is your choice. Decreasing, increasing the volume, mute and mute, and it costs only 8 euros, fair price. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.